Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the contouring program. Okay, contouring means metal removed from the periphery or corner of the workpiece. Okay, controller will be the Fanuc cover as usual. Controller is Fanuc. Okay, so this is the profile we are going to achieve. This one. Okay, having fillet and chamfer. So your raw metal size is 60 cross 60 into 15 and profile dimension is 50 cross 50 into 5. Okay, so these are the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So while moving in anti-clockwise direction we are going to use G42. Okay, this is cutter radius compensation cancel, which side, right side. Okay, G42 is cutter radius compensation cancel, right side. So these are the coordinates. Okay, for points, all the points from 1 to 10. So here we take datum setting as in center. Okay, so this one is your first quadrant, which is plus plus. This one is your second quadrant, which is negative positive. Third quadrant is negative negative. Fourth quadrant is positive negative. So let's begin the program. So before writing a program, we are going to write a program number 1 2 3 4. Then your homing line G28 G91 Z0 G28 G91 X0 Y0, then G40 G54 G80 G90 G21 G94. Then your tool call M06 T01 M03 spindle on S800. Then your coordinate of point number 1 G00. X will be how much? X is minus 45. Y0. Okay. Then your safety G00 Z5 and coolant on M8. Then your H1 equal to 0.2 G01 Z minus H1 F50. Clear? So at point number 1 you have to plunge outside of the workpiece because you are going to use end mill cutter of dia around 12. Okay, we are going to use end mill cutter dia 12. So we are going to plunge outside of the material, which is at point number 1. The coordinate of point number 1 is minus 45 0. How we get minus 45? So raw metal size is 60. So its atom setting from center to this point it will be 30. Then 30 plus this 15 is 45. Okay. Then after plunge at point number 1, we are going to move at point number 2, which is again a linear movement. So it's G01 G42 D1. The coordinate of point number 2 is X. So the dimension of profile we are going to achieve is 50. So half of this will be 25. X minus 25 Y 0. And come to point number 3, which is again a linear. So G01, the coordinate of point number 3 will be X minus 25. Y will be how much? Y will be minus 50. Then we are moving from point number 3 to 4 in a circular movement. So it's a anti-clockwise movement. So we're going to use G03. G03 x will be minus 15, y will be minus 25. So it's the required movement, so we are going to mention r. R will be 10.0. So 4 to 5 is again linear movement. Okay. So G01, x will be 15, y will be minus 25. Then 5 to 6 again linear. G01, x will be 25, y will be minus 15. At point number 6, x will be here. Then from 6 to 7 it's again linear. So G01, x will be how much at point number 7? X 25, y will be how much now? 20. Then again 7 to 8 is again anti-clockwise movement. So G03, x will be how much at point number 8? It's 20, y will be 25, r will be 5. Okay, then 8 to 9 is again linear. G01, x will be minus 20, y will be 25. Okay, then 9 to 10 is again linear. G01, x will be how much? Minus 25, y will be 20. Then come to point number 2 again. G01, x minus 25, y 0. Okay, so cancel here. You have to put G40, which is cutter discompensation, cancel over here. G40. Then come to point number 1. G1, x will be how much? X will be x minus 45 by 0. Okay. Then from here we have to write the incremental depth of cut, which is h1 equal to h1 plus 0.2. Then if h1 less than equal to how much? 5 mm. Go to 10, which is again block number 10. And after that, take the z axis in safety position, which is by writing G0005. Then you have spindle off, coolant off. Okay. Then write the homing program. G28, G91, Z0, G28, G91, X0, Y0, then M30. Okay, your program is not over yet, so you have mentioned over here go to 10, which means you have to mention N10, which is again in the plunge feed. Okay, N10 is over here. N10, it will move from here to here till it remove 5 mm material. Okay, so this is all about your countering operation. Okay, that's all.